If you've ever wanted to try making a felt hand puppet, then this quick and cute chick puppet is for you. Welcome to Crafty, where you can find videos of simple and gift-worthy crafts that you can give to family and friends or donate to charity. And if you'd like to see more projects each week, then give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You'll need 2 large pieces of felt for the body. They generally come in the size of 9 inches by 12 inches. And you'll need small pieces of felt for the beak, the crown, and the eyes. You'll also need the templates, which you can get on craftycare.com. There's the main body for the puppet. There's also the little crown piece for on his head. You'll also need a glue gun to glue the embellishments on the face. You'll need pins, a scissor, and a pen to trace around the templates. So the first thing you would do is get your colors of felt. We're going to use yellow for the chick today, and we're going to trace out 2 of the chick bodies and then cut those out. Then we're going to make an orangish brown for the top of his head and for his beak. I'm going to cut those out. Then we're going to place the top between the 2 main body pieces and pin it on there for sewing. And then we're going to pin the rest of the puppet together, those 2 yellow pieces that we cut out earlier, and a pin around there so they hold together real good when we sew. And again, you can either sew this on a sewing machine or you can hand sew it together. We're going to stitch along the whole outside edge, stitching those 2 body pieces together about 1/4 inch from the side. Make sure that you get that top piece in there and stitch through the whole thing so it's well attached to the chick body, and continue to sew all the way around. You will leave the bottom straight section open. That's where the hand will go in. Now we're going to place that beak and eyes on where we want them, and get our glue gun and just put a little bit of glue on the back of that beak and put it on there, and then just a drop of glue on the back of each of the eyes and place those on where you'd like them. And just like that, our chick puppet is done. These puppets are so quick and simple to make, and they also are a great group project if you want to make a lot to donate somewhere. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy crafting, and if you have any comments or questions, just put them down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great ideas.